Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we see over here is actually a weaker bull trading setup. So some traders might be looking at this, hey, this is a bearish trend and stuff like that. Well, to determine a trend, it's really important to see where is the starting point of the entire movement, and to us, this is just a break and close below the previous low for one time, so it is not registered as a bearish trend. So by looking at this long bearish candle alone, and you see a lot of breaking and close below the low, and you find that this is a bearish trend, then you got it all wrong. This is really important because the overall fundamental analysis have to be, or rather the foundation of the analysis has to be correct. It doesn't matter whether are you trading with the trend or against the trend, but it's important for you to know whether are you trading with the trend or against the trend. It's just like driving on the road. Sometimes you see people when you're driving overseas that they choose to drive opposite direction, correct? But at the minimum, they have to know they are driving a opposite direction. I'm not encouraging that, but they should be more cautious when they choose to do that, correct? And not doing it unknowingly. That can cause a bigger problem than driving opposite direction itself, correct? So it's not the best analogy, but if you have been traveling overseas to some countries, you might able to see that and you know what I'm trying to say, correct? So down to the 4-hour chart, let's have a look over here on the 4-hour chart. You can see a lot of M and W formation. Some traders might read it differently. Some see this as a potential M and W pattern formation. Some see this as a really weird consolidation with the previous bearish trend. You might be looking for a bearish flag pattern where you get a bit confused and read the entire chart like bullish. This is when knowing how to read chart correctly and looking at which point to make decision is rather important, correct? So with that, just hang on a moment. I'll share with you my analysis as well. Down to the 1-hour chart, a consolidation over here, which gives sideways bounce trader like myself an opportunity to trade. You might be saying, hey Rain, this is not a lot of profits. Well, let's have a look from the bottom to the top over here. I'm not even drawing to the lowest to the highest, but just the candle body is already 97 pips, correct? So if you are not that particular in calculating the pip value, we just approximately use 1 pip of $10 US. That's $970, right? It's really good money to buy here and sell here, and buy here and sell here, and buy here and sell here, and sell here and buy here again, buy here again and sell here again. It's amazing. It's free money. How many times you get this? Okay, here is the first wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's amazing, correct? 8 times 97 is not too bad, correct? That's the whole idea, all right, in a general picture. If you want to learn this the right way, just drop us a note. I'll share with you my analysis shortly. And some of you have received these trading ideas, so you know that I've been trading at this level even before it happens, correct? So scan this QR code. It will bring you to our Discord channel over here under the Traders Cafe. This is where you get to see this pin message over here, all right? And click this link. It will bring you to our student portal. All right, you can choose to join our Telegram broadcast channel as well, as a just in case you miss out certain things. But the main channel you should be in is in the Discord channel. All right, and if you scroll down further, this is free training for you that we have for you. Click this link, redeem, and start learning how to trade by yourself. And of course, if you like to get coached by us, then drop us a note. We have been going through this coaching people on the go, and it is rather amazing that you can learn how to trade within a 2 weeks time frame if you follow the proper trading instruction. If you scroll down further, you can see some of our trading ideas, and you can see over here hitting second targets often give us a 2-1 ratio. That means every dollar we risk, we have a $2 in returns as potential profits. That's very, very important, because by having that, it gives us an amazing edge over the market. This just means we need to be 40% accurate we will be profitable, not even break even, but profitable. So this is how we trade, and that's how we are a bit chill in terms of trading compared to a lot of other traders out there where they focus on accuracy. Alright, so let us not debate over there. I want to keep my video really short, but if you're interested, drop me a note. I may just create a content on my perspective of this as well. Alright, so head back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. As mentioned, this is just a bullish wicker bull trading setup. So if you are looking for a shorting opportunity, you need to wait for a break and close below 127.19, which I hope it doesn't happen because I have some trading plan involved. Alright, so head down to the 4-hour chart. Well, one of the opportunity I can look for a buying opportunity is at 128.69. This is a potential bullish bet trading setup. So students, have you managed to spot it? If you go through our trading content bit by bit, X to A, then you look at the pullback retracement level, you check the C, you check the D, you get the exact level because we are using the lowest to the highest over here, all right, in the recent move. All right, so the 1-hour chart, this is what I've been talking about, and I know a lot of traders, students have been telling me, hey, there's a lot of shark pattern, which means it's good news. The market is expanding. All right, so you see, this is how we engage. This is the zone we are looking to buy, and after a couple of bounce, one to come back again, the third time I see that this is a repetitive pattern. So what I'm going to do is really simple to set an alert on both ends. Once it hit the bottom, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. Once it hit the top, I'm looking for a shorting opportunity or even exiting my buy. That could be one of the way. So I could do this. You can see this is how fast it can go. All right, and I can just copy the alert because I want the trigger word, right? The trigger phrase over here. Just key in, copy and paste. Once per bar close, H1, 7H. I can write type 2. Usually we stop it at type 2. We don't do like, that means hitting the first target, it come back again is known as type 2. The third time it hit, fourth time it hit, I will still call it the type 2 trading setup. I don't call it like type 3, type 4, type 5 without. It just confuse people, right? I can even put my favorite symbol, which is sideways bounce. That's how trading is. I just wait for a confirmation pattern over here and engage a trade. And that's why it only takes seconds to engage a trade. Now, I hope you understand better how we manage our trading. If you like and love this kind of trading strategies, and you can pretty much live your life on the go, then drop us a note if this interests you. And once we accept you, you know that you just have to follow every single steps and you will be profitable. That's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon, and take care.